Where have you been?
Oh, you know, catching up with Mom.
That's your mother?
Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair.
This Hiccup guy seems to be the greatest dragon rider ever.
What are you? This is the great dragon master, the son of STOICK the Fast.